Hey friends, and welcome back to another awesome video. Today we have this super fun Bluey activity book, and it comes with stickers. Over 100 stickers, you guys. Says Bluey, time to play. We have Bluey doing something super silly and Bingo as well. And let's check out the back. There's the whole family there. And it looks like there's some other books too in this series. So it says, have fun with Bluey and Bingo as they play their favorite games. There are stickers to place, puzzles to solve, and so much more. I love these super fun activity books. So let's go ahead and get started. So when we open up the book, the first page is Bluey. She's saying it's time to play. Let's see what the next page is. Ooh, we have the Bluey house right over here. This is the healer's front yard in sunny Brisbane, Australia. Add stickers to complete the picture. We get to do this little scenery over here and add our own stickers. And on this side, it says meet the healers. We have Bluey, a 6-year-old blue healer pup who loves to play. Along with her friends and family, Bluey enjoys exploring the world and using her imagination to turn everyday life into an amazing adventure. I wonder if there's stickers that we have to place here in the shadows. We also have Bingo over here. Bingo is Bluey's little sister. She's 4 years old and a red healer like her mom. Bingo is always up for an adventure and loves tagging along with Bluey and her pals as they explore their surroundings. Now let's meet Mom and Dad. Chili works part-time at airport security. She loves playing hockey, going for a run, and giving hugs to her 2 daughters. When she isn't busy working, Chili can't wait to join her family on all their exciting adventures. And now what about Dad? Bandit is an archaeologist. He loves digging up bones. He likes surfing and playing touch footy, but his favorite pastime is coming up with creative games to play with Bluey and Bingo. Let's check the back if there's some stickers here. Ooh, we have stickers all along here, and I like that it tells you where to use which stickers. So this one will say page 14, this says page 16, so that way you know where they go. I wonder if these stickers go on the front. And it does, because this is page 2. So let's put our stickers on. So first we have Bluey, and then we have Bingo. And here we have Mom doing some really cool dance moves. And same with Dad. There we go, all done. Now let's decorate the house. Okay, so we have some stickers here. We have an umbrella. I think I'm gonna put it over here by the porch. We have somebody's roller skates. We're just gonna keep them over here. Maybe Bluey or Bingo left them down here on the ground. And a tennis ball we're gonna put on the grass. They love to play with the tennis ball. Okay, we have a few different birds that I'm going to place around. I'm gonna put one here in the little bird fountain there. We have this little small one I'm gonna put on the fence. We also have a branch, so maybe we can put the branch over here by the tree, and then this bird can be in the tree. Okay, we have this little garden gnome I'm gonna place over here. We have some newspaper I'm gonna put in Dad's hand. And we have a couple little pine cones that I'm just gonna put in the bushes here, just to decorate it a little bit. And there we go, our healer house is all complete. In this activity, we have to help Sean find his way through the maze to catch the bird over here that is trying to escape. So Sean is the emu puppet that Dad turns into sometimes. So we have to start over here, and we have to be careful we don't get blocked by the toys that are in the way. So I guess we can't go that way. We have to go this way. Then, okay, we are in the clear. Are we gonna make it? Yes, we are. We did on the first try. That's so awesome. The next page here is called Magic Claw. Bluey and Bingo are playing with Magic Claw, but the pile of toys is looking a little small. We need to add stickers to the pile and a few to the wall over here. So let's go ahead and get our stickers. So we have a little bunny rabbit stuffy we're gonna add over here to the pile. There's a little wand. and a bouncy ball. There we go. The pile's getting bigger already. Here comes some more stickers. We have one over here, a little ladybug, and a little octopus. And now we're gonna put some little ones on the wall here. Okay, we have so many little ones to go on the wall. There's these tiny little stars and moons and another star. We have a rainbow. We have this dog astronaut who's flying in space. We have this picture here of a dog. And then we have this little planet. And there we go. Our toys are complete, and so is the wall. This one is super funny. This episode where Bluey and Bingo are grannies is just hilarious. So, Janet and Rita are on their way to the shops, and they're in a hurry. Add stickers to show the mess that the grannies cause. Looks like they've caused Dad to slip and fall and drop all of the laundry everywhere. Okay, so we have a bunch of different stickers. The grannies have made a mess with the stuffies, these mushrooms. They are gonna be upside down just like the other one over here. So we have two of those. And then we have this gnome. We're just gonna pretend it got knocked down over there. So it's gonna be lying down. There's gonna be such a mess all over the grass. Okay, we have this grabbing claw toy. Dad is just slipping on everything. And another stuffy. So he slipped on all of this because of the mess that the grannies caused. And now the laundry is gonna be everywhere as well. Silly grannies. Here's our next activity, guys. Bob Bilby is spending a week with the healers and he's having the best time ever. Create Bob's photo album by adding the Polaroid stickers to the page. It looks like Bilby already has one over here. I think we have to add the missing photos. So let's go ahead and get our stickers. So here are our 4 stickers. We have Bingo over here on a horse with Bob Bilby. So let's put that one there. And then there's another one with Bingo and Bob Bilby. We'll put that one there. And then we already have Bluey holding Bob Bilby. And then we have the whole family. Looks like they're reading a story to Bob Bilby. And the last one is Bluey being silly with Bob Bilby. And there's his photo album. Oh no, you guys, we need to help them out. Things have gone horribly wrong at the takeaway shop. We have to add stickers to complete the scene. Looks like Dad is covered in mess. Bingo has her tongue sticking out. I don't know what she's doing. And Bluey looks a little bit nervous. There's a little bit of mess on the floor. So we need to complete this disaster of a scene. Okay, it looks like we have some food that has spilled out of the containers. Maybe we can put that on the floor just to show that it kind of fell and now it is spilled everywhere. Okay, this looks like an apron that maybe Dad wore. We're just gonna put that on the ground over here to make it look like it fell. We have some birds here, some crows that are pecking at the food that fell down. They're having their dinner over there. Okay, we have a few more items. Looks like there's a cell phone. Maybe that's Dad's cell phone we can put on the table here. And then these look like, I don't know what these are. Are these menus? Some sort of paper. Could be menus. Maybe they kind of fell off the table and onto the ground. It is definitely a messy disaster here. Okay, and the last things we're gonna add is this little stuffy. Kind of looks like the mascot of the restaurant, I guess. We'll just put that over there. And then there's like these little fortune cookies that we're just gonna spread everywhere because they spilled as well, just like our containers of food down here. So we're gonna put one over here by Dad and the other one. And there we go. We have a complete takeaway disaster. Look at all of the mess that they created. Oh boy, they're gonna be in lots of trouble. Okay guys, this is our last scene of our activity book that we are going to be decorating. It's called Good Night Bluey. It's nearly time for little pups to go to bed. Before the lights are turned off, add stickers to decorate Bluey and Bingo's bedroom. This is going to be super fun. Their bedroom looks so cool. I can't wait to add some extra stickers. Alright, we have a monkey backpack. Maybe I'm going to put that on the ground here. We have this super cute puppy stuffy. I'm going to put on the shelf up here, I think. And then then we have, I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a popsicle, but it could be some sort of toy. So maybe we'll put that on the ground. And then we also have this really cool red balloon. I'm gonna put up here. All right, we have a few more stickers. So we have this book. I'm gonna lay it on the ground here because maybe after Bluey is acting silly, she'll want to read her book. And then we have some pages that we're coloring. So we're just gonna put this here because it looks like Bingo's coloring already. So we might as well put a sticker there. We have this super cute platypus stuffy. We're gonna put on the shelf. We have this really cute rainbow bag. Let's put that over there on the shelf as well. And we have a hairbrush. So let's put that right over here. And Bluey and Bingo's room is all done. It looks super cozy. Guys, this activity book was so much fun. It had a lot more sticker activities than puzzles and games. Which scenery was the best? Mine was the bedroom. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!